Hey guys, it's JetRex1 here, and today we are back with some Balloons TD Towers. Now that I think about it, we've never done Balloon TD Towers, have we? I'm here with my friend Dominic. Say hello.
Hey guys.
We are going to be doing turns on matches. So yeah. Let's start on quick play.
I'll do coconut thing.
This?
No, coconut drink.
Okay, then this. Reroll.
Yeah.
I rerolled.
What did you get?
Cobra. Okay. I'm getting my tack shooter out to start with, because I always start with tack shooter. I do have enough for a Cobra, so I'm going to buy a Cobra. I don't think I like the way this guy is.
Ooh.
How am I supposed to beat that? Do you flip and see how much he has? How's he sending that much over to me already? That's weird. I lost.
Balloons.
I can't. I will die either way. How did he already send that many? Guys, this guy is hacking or some sort. Because you can't send that many balloons right at the start. So he has to have something that allows him to do that.
Okay.
It's his turn.
So I'm gonna do my turn. So I'm not very good at this. So I'm gonna try to do it.
Just go to my Spider-Man slime over here.
What?
Hey, if you hear any car noises outside, that's his big brother that's being awfully annoying right now. Get Super Monkey. I do have Super Monkey. No, randomize just redid your whole deck, and you can't unrandomize. So you lost Super Monkey, but that's fine. Because Super Monkey is way too expensive anyways. Oh, that deal. Talk! They can't hear you. You need to talk. Monkeys are on that side. Monkeys are on that side. Oh, why'd you place that? Oh, you're dead. As you can see, guys, he's really, really dead. Why did you not do that? Click this side if you want to exit out. If you want to exit out of the plane, click there. Save for the boomerang monkey, the one that's 400. Wait, no, ice tower, ice tower. No. Okay, just ice tower. Multi-target. Wait. Get ice tower. No, not there. Place it there next time, so it actually can do something. Okay, place the ice tower there. Now they can do something. See what I'm doing? I'll click that arrow. That arrow, click it. Some of the pink balloons. No, the pink. The pink! Thank you. Makes everything easier for me. Okay. Oh, he's got the grinder. Black. Ones. We're dead. We're so dead. We're so fudging dead. Guys, I did not cuss. I said fudge. Fudge is not a bad word. In your house it might be, but not for me. Man, we're not
So I
doing
lost.
good today.
Yeah. I'm better on the phone. And you can find me on Mr. X Butt Cheek. And it's my brother's account, so
Don't think that that's
Yeah.
inappropriate, because that's his brother's account, and he just wants you to give him friend request. My account, it's, I think what this is. What the frick, dude? That's my inside-out dinosaur. So it doesn't look like this guy's responding, so I'm leaving. Maybe later.
we're still gonna play that?
Hmm?
We're still gonna play that? What?
Cards.
I know how to do this one. No. I know how to do this one really good. Get
Oh my gosh, he quit.
bruh. I hate that guy. I hate people that just quit.
Yeah, I haven't even started yet, and he's like, nope. No, this one?
Yes. So get this. Gore. Get
Come on, only 10 seconds.
this
This?
over. And then the super guy.
I had to do that one. Okay. I think you gave me like the worst team possible.
No, it's not.
You know this is way different than phone, right?
Yeah. But look, you're winning right now. Well, you're like,
I'm not winning. We're even. It's because it's the first thing. Wait, no. I used to have a strategy with these things. My strategy was annoying, but somehow good. I'm gonna pause the video. Okay, guys. We've gotten pretty far. Yeah, I don't know if he will like me very much. I don't think he'll ever want to play this game again after this. See what I'm doing?
Yeah, he only has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I need Monkey Tower. Makes it so I can see camo. We'll be right back when we get some more progress. Okay, guys, it's his go, and it's probably because the last guy was really good, I guess you could say. You can speak up!
I know. So, we might be doing a few more rounds after this.
So, in total we have 5 more minutes to record.
So I'm gonna need boomerang.
Okay, you're using boomerang. Why are you not using the spike tower? He's like the OP man of the Bam Bam. Yeah, I don't think there's any side where you can fit that on this map. Wait.
The wizard.
And get your...
Yes!
What the heck? You literally got the character you wanted?
Yep.
Dominic, I have done the unthinkable. I made a dino. Oh, this is pretty bad. What? You're gonna place it on his side? You have to place it on the... How did you get that to fit? Okay, exit that. Wait for that. Or yeah, you can do wizard. Wait, why did you place him there? That's the only area where you can place down the bananas. You are a stupid child. Get reds. Because it sends down 8 right now. Get the reds, it sends down 8. Get the reds! What the heck is wrong with you? You are a dumb child. Why that? Oh guys, if you didn't know, I'm going to be doing a bit more vlogs, especially in July. I'm going to do a whole week of vlogs, nothing else. Because I go to my cabin, right? And my cabin is a fun place. Where there is a lake. So yeah, and we're there for a week, so I'll record every day. I might upload 2 vlogs a day. I might upload 3. I might... No, not 4. Not 3. Probably just 2. 2 or 1. Probably 1 a day. I don't know, Daddy. Yo, yo, yo. Yo, 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 yo. Yo, 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 yo. Here we go, yo. Stop, Papa's yo. Making a balloon from dinosaurs. Guys, we're almost out of time. We only have 3 more minutes. Why am I so cringy? Guys, we're almost out of time. We only have 2 more minutes. Click that. Has anybody lost any health? Guys, this video's almost over. Nobody's lost any health this whole entire match. And this whole video, this whole match has been 15 minutes. And we're on match 1 million. Boo! Yeah. There's a new challenge for Jerome ASF. Get on to round 1 million, and then I will subscribe. Don't know, go check them out. These are really cool. Baloons, TD Towers, Prison. We do a whole bunch of mods on there. We only have a minute left, guys. So while we're at it, I will say goodbye to you all. I hope you've all enjoyed this video, and I will see you all next time. Bye! Okay, apparently my buddy's not going to stop the video right now. I said, bye! Are you going to pause the video? Okay, guys, I guess we'll have a 2-hour limit, and then I'll say bye. I think this will be my 3rd time saying bye. Nope, not 4th time. Okay, this is... Anyways, I hope you've all enjoyed this episode of Baloons TD Towers Defense, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!